Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a Hairstylist Club Box unboxing. For those of you who don't know what this little box is, it is a monthly subscription box that's supposed to be for hairstylists or really any hair enthusiast. This month, for March, it is actually a self-care edition. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. When you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. I did already open this, and there's a couple things in here that my children jumped right in, so we'll talk about that a little bit when we get there. This is the card that is included. It says everything that you get in your box. And then on the back, it just talks about little contest and to tag them on Instagram and all that. So the first two things I'm gonna pull out actually are what my kids got right into. The first one they sent, it's a Mr. Brownie Rich, Moist, and Fudgy Blondie. It was actually really, really good. It was delicious, I gotta say. I enjoyed that. And then the next thing is by Buddha Bowl Foods, and it was the Himalayan Gold Buttered Flavored Coconut Oil Popcorn. The bag that it comes in was super, super cute, and it was just popcorn. There's a couple crumbs left in the bag there. The kids ate it right up. You could definitely taste the coconut oil in there, but it was good. The next thing I'm pulling out, it is by After Spa. It is a makeup remover cloth. These things, I've tried these from a couple different brands before, and they work really good. It takes your makeup off with just water, and then you can throw it in your washing machine to clean it. Just this little cloth. I can't find what happened to my other one I had, so I'm excited to have this one again. They're great for travel and everything because you don't need to bring a whole bunch of makeup wipes. You can just bring that bad boy. The next thing, okay, I've gotten one of these from a BoxyCharm before. This is the Spongel Lavender Vanilla Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. I really like these, and my kids, they really enjoy using them too when they're in the bath. So it comes like this. It's all wrapped up in plastic. It's just a sponge that has the soap and everything infused right into it. This one smells good. I can definitely smell the lavender over the vanilla, but I love lavender, so I'm excited to have another one of those. The next thing I see is by the Cosmic Company. This is the Rare Cocoa Foot Soak to detoxify and restore. It looks like there comes with 2 of them in there, and my kids have already claimed that after this video is filmed, they get to use them. Next up is by Velvet. It is the Luxurious Facial Jade Crystal Roller. I've never actually used one of these before. Let's pull it out. It looks like this. It's a pretty green color. Yes, I just threw that garbage on my floor. It looks like that, and you're supposed to just roll it across your face, and I think it's supposed to help with like circulation and all that. So that's cool. Now, there's all kinds of goodies in this month's box. All right, the next thing is by Nature Natural and Moisture. It is the 15-minute hand mask. I need this right now with all this COVID-19 going around. I've been washing and sanitizing my hands like crazy, so they are so dry right now. I will be using this as soon as this video is over, and I will update you guys. Just leave me a comment down below if you want to know how any of this stuff worked out, and I will be sure to comment back and let you know my thoughts. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh, we're down to the last thing, and it's a little book. It says, "You are a badass every day. How to keep your motivation strong, your vibe high, and your quest for transformation unstoppable." Just a little book. And this came at the perfect time because with all the isolation going on, we can't really leave the house or do much. So I will definitely be reading this book. Alright guys, that is everything that we got in the March Self-Care Edition Hairstylist Club box. We got all kinds of goodies. I'm beyond thankful for being able to receive these to review for you guys. I didn't mention at the beginning, but yes, they do send me this for reviewing purposes for you guys. And if you do want to sign up to start receiving these boxes, be sure to use the code HCBAP10 to receive $10 off your first box. And if you sign up right away, the April box will include hair shears. I'm so excited for that because it's a hairstylist box, right? We want hair stuff. And hair shears are bloody expensive, so I'm so excited for next month's box. This is all the goodies in this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like unboxing videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of all my upcoming videos, definitely hit that little bell so you can be dinged at every time I upload. It's great. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.